The loudest condemnation this morning is for police in Buffalo. A moment of violence caught on camera, and we're going to show it to you, and you should be prepared because it's very difficult to watch as a man in his 70s is knocked down by officers.
He is bleeding out of his ear. He's bleeding out of his ear. Get somebody over here. He's bleeding out of his ear. Get him medic. What? Help on me. I'm going to grab him. Back up. Back up. Get off the steps. Let's go. Get back.
As you can see there, before an officer moves in front of the camera, another protester is arrested. It's a reporter with the news outlet that recorded the incident who tells police to get an ambulance for the man. Buffalo's mayor says the 75-year-old is in serious but stable condition. He goes on to call the incident, quote, disheartening. New York's governor, Andrew Cuomo, calls what happened utterly disgraceful. 2 officers involved are now suspended, and an internal police investigation is underway.